Alrighty, y'all. I'm about to go work on the roller coaster alone this time. Uh-oh, scary, because Kyle actually lives over an hour away, so he can't always come out. But my workplace is over an hour, or is an hour away, so if I can do it every day to work, he can do it once a week. Am I right, y'all? About to go out, but I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm not probably gonna work on the new one. I think I might renovate the old one. Yes. Let's take a pause just real quick. This is going to be a new series I think I'm going to do. It's going to be all about the old roller coaster. So we'll have updates for the new one and the old one. And then eventually I'll release all the videos I took of the old one. Because I did film my construction of the old one as well, but that was on a different YouTube channel. It's unlisted now. You can't find it. So don't even try. But it's, yeah, the old roller coaster. I will eventually upload all of it. I'll upload a POV and the construction and some other stuff about it. That'll come eventually, but for now, welcome to the new series. Legacy roller coaster updates. So yeah, back to the show. Also, I thought I'd explain the reason we rarely go work on it at this point is because the roller coaster is also 30 minutes from me. I don't live on that farm. My family owns it, but clearly I don't live on the farm, so it's a bit of a drive, so we don't always go out, but let's go work on the roller coaster. And here we are at the farm. Because like I said, we gotta start working on the cart for that now. But today, I'm gonna fix this one, the old roller coaster. Basically what happened was, it didn't just break because of old age. That trampoline over there, well, it used to be up there, it was staked down, and then my dad moved it down here and forgot to stake it. And you know, it's Texas, we're kind of in Tornado Alley, we had some questionable weather, and the trampoline just went zoop and obliterated the roller coaster. Even though I'm still probably going to take this one apart eventually, I really want it to work again because I just kind of miss riding it, you know. I like having a pastime when I'm not working on that. So I'm going to come through and replace everything that's broken, maybe even modify it a tiny bit, who knows, see if I can get it working again, because it's not in fantastic shape. Now the problem is, a lot of the older stuff is not pressure treated, so the coaster turns 5 this year, and I was a very educated young man, if I do say so myself. I'm totally joking, because I built it all out of regular wood, so it's all just kind of rotting. I also just used deck screws, which probably isn't the greatest design for a roller coaster, but it's surviving. The thing that I can't believe still is perfectly intact is this cart. This cart is also not pressure treated and of very questionable design. I didn't really know what I was doing, but it somehow seems to be holding up. I have put some weight on it and it seems to still be fine. So hopefully I don't have to deal with that. It also used to have a seat. The seat's not there anymore. The seat broke, so I might try to find just some scrap seat we've got somewhere out here to put on there. I'm sure my dad's got some somewhere because my dad has a lot of random stuff. So yeah, I'm out here all by myself today, but we're gonna get some stuff done. Hopefully make the old roller coaster work again. That's the goal of today. Today is January 21st. It's a Friday, the release of season 3 of Servant on Apple TV. That's a great show, you should watch it. M. Night Shyamalan, awesome guy. I've got lots to fix on this, so I should probably start working on it. I might even reprofile some of it slightly, you know, could do that, because this turn, or not turn, but this little drop right here, the valley of this drop right here before the turn, right here, this valley, it's turning while it's going down, and it's also the tightest valley on the coaster, but it kind of banks outward because I made it completely level, but over time, since it turns to the left, it kind of started sinking to the right. So I might, you know, bank it 5 degrees just to help that a little bit. Luckily, the trampoline only really broke things from right here to the beginning of the airtime hill. So I don't have too much to fix. So I'm gonna start working on it and we'll see what happens. Okay, well, it's cold and it's dark, but it works. I'm gonna come back and do more later next week though, so this video will probably come out in what, August or so? Okay, bye. Alright, kids and people that aren't kids, day 2, here we go. Not literally day 2, it's been like 3 days, but I don't work today, so I'm gonna go work on the old roller coaster again. So here we go. Okay, I'm out here at the farm now. Apparently I'm wearing sunglasses now and a different jacket, but that's besides the point. Anyways, we're at the farm. Here we are. Look, there's the roller coaster. Oh. Oh. Roller coaster. Let's get to work. Alright, y'all. So I just finished repairing the old roller coaster. It works now fully and it's structurally stable. Wow! I honestly never thought I'd do that again. I thought it would just go away, but then I realized it turns 5 years old this year. So I kind of want to keep it. But it's all repaired now and it works. Let's go over the repairs. So one problem that I always had was I cut a lot of corners when I was younger. So I finally added the other side of this and now it's way better, way more sturdy. Just went through and repaired. I basically changed almost every screw on the coaster. Went over here. Whenever the trampoline hit it, it knocked it over and everything kind of shifted. So now I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like not straight anymore. So technically I have an Outer Banked Airtime hill now. Wow! So yeah, all of this got redone. I changed the shaping of this, and the spike got a whole bunch of new wood as well. Ignore that it's raining, that's not important. But it works, it's alive, I can't believe it. The roller coaster's alive, so let's go for a ride, shall we? We survived! Also, there's a rainbow! Wow! It's a rainbow! But there's a rainbow over there, I promise! It's so cool! There's a rainbow and the roller coaster works again. It was just meant to be! So yeah, I guess that concludes part 1 of the Legacy roller coaster experiment, or not experiment, but you know what I mean. I still need to put a chair on this. I will do that hopefully sometime. Probably never, because that's just how I am. Because it works, so why do it? No. But, so yeah, this concludes part 1, I guess. The roller coaster is alive. Woo! Now we need to make this monstrosity. We are going to do it, I promise. We are going to, you hold me to it. We are going to build this roller coaster, okay? It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Also, cinnamon bread hat. Woohoo! Silver City. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time on some random video on my channel, or an update on that, or more Legacy coaster, because who knows what might happen. It might be like 200 feet tall next time you see it. But thanks for watching. Bye!